सामने देखिए सर, राइट साइड। हाँ यही सर, राइट साइड।
ये खराब है
सर यहाँ पे सर, रंजी जी यहाँ पे दो। रंजी सर यहाँ पे, सर जी यहाँ पे, सर यहाँ सामने लेफ्ट में, सर लेफ्ट में। थैंक यू सर। एकदम सामने, लेफ्ट में है, एकदम सामने देखिए, लेफ्ट में, एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट। थैंक यू। किरण जी एक राइट में, किरण जी एक राइट।
Hi, how are you?
किरण जी मैम यहाँ पे, किरण जी सामने, मैम एक राइट, किरण जी लेफ्ट। थैंक यू।
Thank you. Wish you Happy New Year once again. Happy New Year, everybody.
लुक योर राइट। मैम यहाँ पे लेफ्ट में, मैडम यहाँ पे, मैम एक राइट में, मैम यहाँ पे, मैम यहाँ। एक्सक्यूज मी, योर राइट, मैम यहाँ राइट के बाद में। मैम over here. Thank you. आपके लेफ्ट में देखिए, सामने मैम यहाँ पे देखिए, मैम सामने राइट में, सामने मैम यहाँ। थैंक यू। अरे सांबे सुष्मिता जी यहाँ पे, पैर निकाल पैर। सुष्मिता जी रुकिए, जाओ मत। सुष्मिता जी मैम यहाँ पे, मैम यहाँ पे राइट कॉर्नर, मैम यहाँ पे देखो, मैम जाओ मत।
जाओ ही मत.
हाँ जाओ मत।
I'll just go have a quick conversation.
थैंक यू।
Rubal has been a fantastic artist. I've seen her work. I've seen the work she's done. जो स्कल्पचर्स किए उन्होंने, जो उन्होंने एक्चुअली अपने घर पे जो इतने अमेजिंग आर्ट डेकोर बनाए हैं खुद के, एंड आई सीन आई थिंक प्रीटी मच उनकी सारी पेंटिंग्स देखी है मैंने जो घर पे स्टॉक्ड है. सो शी इज़ अ वंडरफुल गर्ल एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल कॉज दैट शी डज कि you know she helps little children and promotes that art, and I think it's a fantastic thing. I think we all should be encouraging these kind of events.
I don't know, what do arts and kids mean to you personally?
I think art brings out a lot of course, other than the creativity in a child, I think it also helps them think for their own. And I think it's great because at such a tender age that they are able to conceive and then put that on paper when they paint or whether they write. I think that's brilliant because at that age you are starting them to, you are instigating them to kind of do something of their own rather than depending on somebody else to teach them what to do. This is their internal energies that you are, asking them to put on paper or write it down or whatever, paint about it. So.
How artistic were you
I was terrible. I would fail in drawing exams.
Alright, Anjana, a lot of actors like you, stars like you have gone to UP and performed at the Sci-Fi Mahotsav.
Yes.
And they've drawn a lot of flack. As an industry, it's received a lot of criticism. What do you have to say?
I think we need to realize one thing, that every event is an individual event. Just because somebody went and performed somewhere doesn't mean that they don't care for what happened within the country or to your own people. I think we are being too judgmental on that, definitely. I mean, I'm saying, when I know, and I did read about Madhuri and Salman, that they performed there, and I think we are too judgmental, and we are, I think, being too harsh on the fact that I think Salman does unbelievable amount of charity. And even though, yes, media talks about it, but the point is that don't hold him on to just because he performed at an event. And it was an unfortunate thing that, yes, a lot of children had also lost their lives in the camp where they were living. So, yeah, don't put two and two together. That's what I'll say. Is it? Oh, 10th January, yes. Yes, I would love to wish Krish a very happy birthday. I hope he has a fantastic life. He's not been through a very great phase personally. Professionally, it's been fantastic for him. I hope he finds love and peace. That's all. Thank you.
फराह जी सामने देखिए, सामने सेंटर यहाँ पे। Look here. Thank you.
मैम आज की शाम के बारे में
Happy New Year to you too.
And what do you say about this art collection?
I'm very proud of Rubal. She's a good friend. She's a good artist, and I think what she's doing today is really commendable. That she's trying to raise money for the poor children, and I think each one of us should do whatever we can in our individual capacity to help and assist her do that. So I'm here to support her and support her cause.
Do you support Hrithik and Suzanne का जो mixed up?
No comment.
मैम